Machines that shape life. High technology from Turkey to the world. Aspiration to make a difference began in 1962 in Akyapak. This is a success story of how they became one of the most well-established producers in Bursa, and the secret of it was trying hard to make a difference and being different. These people with a wide vision brought together the philosophy, believing is half the battle, and the saying, anything is possible if you are determined enough, and created this epic success story of more than 50 years with this belief. Now a world brand, Akyapak is a source of pride for Turkey. A closer look at Akyapak may be needed to see the experience of half a century and the difference-making system behind it. Then it will be obvious that there is something special beyond national limits. Akyapak every day proves its power in its expertise field of metal bending, cutting, and drilling machines, and exports its products to 95 countries on 5 continents. Akyapak is proud of making a difference and carrying its high quality, representing Turkey's strength to the world. A modern structure having a closed area of 32,000 square meters. Akyapak is also a very big family with its experienced staff of 415 people and its affection towards its employees. Employees must feel safe and happy. Humans first, then business, is Akyapak's philosophy to create a mutual content. Akyapak continues to shape the technology nationally and globally. Akyapak machines provide its customers with high-quality production and application solutions in many areas, including automotive, maritime sector, aviation, construction, heating and cooling, energy, petrochemistry, and defense industry, all of which directs the economy. Global giants such as Mercedes, Harley-Davidson, and Rolls-Royce, as well as TAI and Roketsan in Turkish aviation and defense industries, use Akyapak machines at their plants. There is a proud signature of Akyapak in the production and construction of lots of famous structures, such as Istanbul Ataturk Airport and Ataturk Olympic Stadium and Formula One Istanbul Park tribunes, as well as cars, motorbikes, ships, buildings, planes, airports, bridges, wind turbines, gas stations, stadiums, skyscrapers, steel construction buildings, and many more. One of them is the Ferris wheel Dubai Eye, built in Dubai's Entertainment and Life Center as the last and biggest one of those raised in 5 different places in the world. This Ferris wheel was made with Akyapak machinery. Akyapak is also the proud producer of the biggest cylinder bending machine ever made in Turkey. Akyapak markets sheet metal bending, pipe bending, and profile bending machines to the world under the name Akbend. And it uses the brand Akdrill for metal drilling lines, for which Akyapak is both a world and national leader. The oxy and plasma cutting machines that give additional strength to the brand's image are also produced with the high technology of Akyapak. Akyapak is becoming a worldwide known brand with its 2mm to 200mm capacity, 3 4-ball conventional or NC and CNC controlled hydraulic cylinder machines. The fact that Akyapak presents NC and CNC controlled systems in 4-ball hydraulic cylinders shows its impressive R&D performance. Akyapak, which is a globally preferred producer for metal bending, cutting, and drilling machines, and cylinder bending in particular, always succeeds to lead its sector with the innovations it brings. Thanks to its original technology, Akyapak produces its cylinder machines so as to be able to bend a wind tower and therefore gained a considerable place within the wind power industry. The brand is also among the few producers in the world in terms of ADM drilling lines, featuring an advanced technology in steel construction works. In addition to this, Akyapak continues to make a difference also with its H-profile welding machines, positioners, column boom types, rotators, curved press and edge pasting machines. A globally preferred brand in metal bending, cutting, and drilling machines, Akyapak also puts its high technology into the service of the welding industry. The best welding solutions, consisting of the best equipment to respond to the industry's expectations, have had their respective places within the wide range of solutions provided by Akyapak. Innovation never ends in Akyapak. CNC and software programs and technological infrastructure of the produced machines are constantly improved, making Akyapak's machines more functional and preferable. Particular quality control processes with every piece used in the production being specially analyzed. Particular quality control processes with every piece used in the production being specially analyzed and using materials from worldwide known brands are the factors that help Akyapak be among the first preferences in the world. At all the stages, from order acceptance to product assembly, the production philosophy of Akyapak is a customer-oriented approach based on the same high quality and high speed. This philosophy is also evident in the after-sales services thanks to the intervention and solution speed it offers, and it is rivaled only by a few. CE, ISO 9000 and 2000, UCAS 005, TSEC and Turcom certificates also officially prove Akyapak's quality and high standards. Because of all these features of Akyapak, those who prefer it know very well why they are making this choice. This giant company with a history of half a century contributes to the life quality of people and walks towards further success under the name Akyapak and brands Akbend and Akdrill. And of course, it continues to be the pride of Turkey.